So this is how we create a dictionary: brand Honda, model Civic, and then year 1995. This is a dictionary. And how do we access the value of a dictionary? I want to get the brand. Here you can say new dictionary within square bracket brand. So because here you cannot use the indexes because it's not ordered, right? You cannot use the index. So I mean, yeah, you can use access it using the key this way. New key in a new dictionary of brand. So I can access any values of your dictionary in the following way. And the another thing is, like, if I want to get only the keys, then you can say dix.keys, only the keys you can get. If you want to get only the values, you can get values. If you want to get a key value, you can say, then you can use dict.items. Returns items in a list format of the key and value pair. It is like a tuple. That will be like a tuple pairs. So yeah. So these are the things we can do with the dictionary. So let's head back to programming and then we will do the programming to understand further. So this is dictionary.